Hello everyone, today's topic is how to disassemble and disassemble BMS. The first step is to unplug this. The second step is unplug the switch. There are 4 wires here. Number 4. Number 3. Number 2. Number 1. Let's start with number 4. Number 3. Then unplug number 2 and number 1. Dismantle the negative feed. Be careful with this step, don't touch anywhere else. Take some tape to insulate it. Redismantle negative key. Insulate it too. And then take these screws off. The bad BMS has been removed. This is the new BMS. Let's fix it first. Reconnect this negative feed. And then connect this negative key. Connect this switch. Connect these 4 plugs. Insert number 1 first. Then number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Finally, plug the red one back in. That's all, thank you.